We have heard that SURIMI will create tools that combine socioeconomic and ecological models to help improve fisheries-related decision-making. But what do we mean by models in this context? A model is a simplified representation of the real world. It helps us understand how complex systems like the world work and how it might change over time. If these models can reproduce observed trends in stock dynamics and the ecosystem, then they can be used to explore plausible futures. We have said that SURIMI will integrate a number of existing models, each of which has its individual strengths and limitations. These models describe the dynamics of both the ecological systems and human behavior, and include the complex feedback loops between the socioeconomic and environmental factors. Models are rarely used outside the scientific realm, despite their huge societal potential. SURIMI is therefore aiming to make the broad and public use of models more accessible for planners and society. SURIMI will work with 5 main models. Let's take a closer look at these models, presenting them in order from the individual level to the ecosystem level. The first model is called Poseidon. This is a model that describes the behavior of individual fishers or fleets. Its strength is that it can model a fishing fleet in great detail and captures the adaptive nature of fishers. For instance, how they respond to different policies, market changes, and environmental conditions. The model therefore helps understand how individual decisions impact larger socioeconomic and ecological systems. The next model is called CMSY++. This is a stock assessment model that represents, like every stock assessment model, how different fish stocks grow and are affected by fishing pressure, and can be used to calculate the maximum sustainable yield. Its strength is that it can be used in data-limited situations to predict stock status. EcoPath with EcoSim is a marine ecosystem model that describes the whole ecosystem in great detail. It shows how fishing and other human activities impact the whole ecosystem, and therefore supports ecosystem-based fisheries management. The value chain model is an extension of EcoPath with EcoSim that takes the fisheries landings and tracks the flow of fish products from the sea to the end consumer. The value chain directly evaluates the effects of management interventions on the economy, income and employment, as well as food availability for the consumer. Finally, the system dynamics model is a model which will be developed within SURIMI to fill data gaps in the socio-economic layer. This will reduce uncertainties and improve the robustness of predictions of complex models like Poseidon, EcoPath with EcoSim, and the value chain. So what is the added value of combining these models? First, a comprehensive system representation. Second, robust decision support. Third, the possibility to address synergies and trade-offs. For example, how to maximize both economic and ecological sustainability, or short-term versus long-term gains. And fourth, to reduce key data uncertainties. This will offer deeper insights into the complex interactions between humans and ecosystems, and help design more effective, adaptive, and sustainable fisheries management strategies.